I think it's crazy that so many people are still working the old way, trading time for money to get a salary in return and help build somebody else's dream. I mean, we live in this digital age where there are not 3.8 billion people on the internet, yet only 1% are making any sort of money online. In a new report, it's predicted that by 2030, as many as 800 million jobs will be lost to automation and artificial intelligence. So what is it that keeping so many people in jobs that they hate? I remember this very well because I was one of those people. I was working long hours in a corporate job as a project manager, commuting long hours and spending all my days behind a desk in an environment which quite frankly didn't motivate me, didn't have much meaning for me. It was only there to make money. And at the end of the day, I came home really stressed, exhausted, and tired. And one day I asked myself, do I really want to continue doing this for another 20 years and then retire? So I started researching the internet, and a few months later, and after a couple of failed online courses, I came across this community who spoke about building a lifestyle business by doing something you love. A business that you can operate from anywhere as long as you have internet connection and a laptop. So I contacted one of the members, and he sent me a video series where his mentor, Stuart, explains how everybody with the right mindset can create their own online business from scratch. I was a bit skeptical in the beginning, but then I decided I'll follow the steps and see what happens. So I watched the videos, and I'm really grateful that I did, because those videos gave me a lot more clarity about what's the most effective business model for me. But the thing that convinced me the most was they showed me all these people from different walks of life, different backgrounds and countries. Many of them didn't even have any experience with online. They had already made this transition into a digital lifestyle, working from their laptops and earning a healthy income online. So I became bold and I joined as a member. I followed all the steps they taught me, and I'm really grateful I did, because that really changed my life. Today, I'm in a place where I can say I've got my websites running. I'm doing things I didn't know I'm capable of, like doing this kind of video ads online, something that I couldn't dream about doing just a year ago. And more importantly, when I come home, my wife and little baby daughter, they have a much happier father to be around. So now I'm at the stage in my journey where I want to help others. If you are interested, I'm gonna send you the same videos that got me started for free, of course, which is how I received them. I'm gonna put a link somewhere down this video. If you click on it, it will take you to my website where you can enter your name and email address, and I will send you the same videos. So if you're somebody who is open to learn new things and you don't mind putting some time and effort to build your own digital freedom and digital lifestyle, then I strongly recommend you to watch these videos. I remember thinking this all sounded way too good to be true, but ultimately it was an opportunity that presented itself just at the right time in my life, and I didn't want to pass it up. Could this be the right time for you? I'm not sure, but there's only one way to find out.